Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix iPhone camera focus not working issue after iOS 17 update. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, try to restart your iPhone. Often restarting your iPhone can solve minor software bugs and glitches. After restarting, check if your problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to enable some settings for the camera. Open Settings, scroll down. Tap the camera and enable lens correction. Make sure to clean camera lens. Clean the camera lens, dirt, debris, or smudges on the camera lens prevent the camera from focusing properly. Carefully clean the camera lens using a microfiber cloth. After that, check whether your issue is fixed or not, and then try the next solution, that is to update iPhone. Check and update your iPhone. Open Settings. Scroll down. Now tap General. Then tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then update it. If you still have the problem, then try the last solution, that is to reset all settings. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Transfer or Reset. Then tap on Reset. Select Reset All Settings, and you will reset all settings. After that, enter your passcode and reset your network settings. Make sure by resetting all settings, your phone settings will be set to default, so you should remember your password. As well, after restarting, your camera focus problem will be solved. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.